Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of pumpkins and their incredible health benefits. Pumpkins are not just a staple of fall decor, they are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Rich in vitamin A, pumpkins support eye health and boost your immune system. They are also low in calories, making them a fantastic choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight while enjoying delicious meals. But that's not all. Have you ever considered the potential of pumpkin seeds? These tiny treasures are often overlooked, yet they are loaded with nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. They can be enjoyed in various ways, from snacking on them roasted to adding them to salads or smoothies for an extra crunch. Incorporating pumpkins and their seeds into your diet can be a game changer for your health. Whether you're looking to enhance your meals or boost your nutrition, pumpkins offer a versatile and tasty solution. So, stick around as we explore more about these amazing fruits and how you can easily add them to your daily routine. 1. Weight loss. If you're on a weight loss journey, pumpkins might just become your new best friend. One of the standout features of pumpkins is their low-calorie content. A cup of cooked pumpkin contains only about 50 calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to shed some pounds without sacrificing flavor. But it's not just about the calories. Pumpkins are also high in dietary fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and satiety. When you include fiber-rich foods like pumpkin in your meals, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks later on. This means you can enjoy satisfying portions while still keeping your overall calorie intake in check. Incorporating pumpkin into your diet is easy and delicious. Whether you blend it into smoothies, roast it as a side dish, or use it in soups and stews, the options are endless. So, if you're looking for a nutritious and tasty way to support your weight loss goals, consider adding pumpkin to your meals. Not only will you enjoy its rich flavor, but you'll also be fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. 2. Heart health. When it comes to maintaining a healthy heart, pumpkins are a fantastic addition to your diet. One of the key nutrients found in pumpkins is potassium, which plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake helps balance sodium levels in the body, reducing the risk of hypertension and promoting overall cardiovascular health. In addition to potassium, pumpkins are rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C. These powerful compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to heart disease. Research suggests that the antioxidants in pumpkins can also contribute to lowering cholesterol levels, further supporting heart health. Incorporating pumpkins into your meals is not only delicious, but also essential for a heart-healthy diet. Whether you enjoy pumpkin in soups, salads, or baked goods, you can easily reap the benefits of this nutrient-dense food. By making pumpkins a regular part of your diet, you're taking proactive steps toward better heart health. So let's celebrate this versatile fruit and all the ways it can contribute to a healthier, happier heart. 3. Eye health. Pumpkins are not just a fall favorite, they are also a powerhouse for eye health. One of the standout nutrients in pumpkins is beta-carotene, a pigment that gives them their vibrant orange color. When consumed, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, a crucial nutrient for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A plays a vital role in the functioning of the retina, helping to convert light into signals that the brain can interpret as images. This nutrient is essential for night vision and overall eye health, as it helps prevent conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. By including pumpkins in your diet, you can significantly boost your intake of this important vitamin. Incorporating pumpkins into your meals is simple and delicious. Whether you enjoy them in soups, pies, or roasted as a side dish, the options are endless. So if you want to support your eye health and maintain clear vision, consider adding more pumpkins to your plate. With their rich content of beta-carotene and vitamin A, pumpkins are a tasty way to nourish your eyes and promote long-term visual wellness. 4. Nutrients and antioxidants. Pumpkins are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Additionally, pumpkins contain magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function nerve transmission, and energy production. Beyond their impressive nutrient profile, pumpkins are also rich in antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are linked to various chronic diseases. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of cellular damage and promoting overall well-being. The vibrant orange color of pumpkins is a clear indicator of their high antioxidant content, particularly beta-carotene, which is known for its protective properties. By appreciating the nutritional value of pumpkins, you can make informed choices about your diet. Incorporating this versatile fruit into your meals not only enhances flavor, but also boosts your intake of vital nutrients and antioxidants. Whether you enjoy pumpkin in soups, smoothies, or baked goods, you're doing your body a favor by choosing this nutrient-dense food. So, let's celebrate pumpkins and all the health benefits they bring to the table. 5. Immune support. Pumpkins are not just a delicious addition to your meals. They also play a significant role in boosting your immune system. One of the key nutrients found in pumpkins is vitamin C, which is essential for enhancing immune function. This powerful vitamin helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections and keeping your body healthy. In addition to vitamin C, pumpkins are rich in antioxidants that further support immune health. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can weaken the immune response. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants in pumpkins contribute to a more robust defense against illnesses and infections. Incorporating pumpkins into your diet is an easy and tasty way to enhance your immune system. Whether you enjoy pumpkin soup, roasted pumpkin seeds, or pumpkin smoothies, you can reap the benefits of this nutrient-dense food. So if you want to support your immune health and stay vibrant throughout the year, consider adding more pumpkins to your meals. With their rich content of vitamin C and antioxidants, pumpkins are a delicious way to nourish your body and keep your immune system strong. 6. Should you throw away the seeds? When you carve a pumpkin or scoop out its insides, do you ever stop to wonder about the seeds? Should you really throw them away? Many people overlook the potential benefits of pumpkin seeds, but these little gems are packed with nutritional value. Have you ever considered what vitamins and minerals they contain? What if we told you that pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats? These nutrients may offer a range of health benefits that are often overlooked. For instance, did you know that pumpkin seeds can support heart health, improve sleep quality, and even boost your immune system? With so much to gain, it's worth taking a second look at those seeds before tossing them in the trash. If you're curious about how to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet and the specific health benefits they provide, stay tuned for our follow-up video. We'll dive deeper into the nutritional profile of pumpkin seeds and share creative ways to enjoy them. Don't miss out on discovering how these tiny seeds can make a big impact on your health. Conclusion. In today's video, we explored the incredible health benefits of pumpkins and how they can enhance your overall wellness. We discussed how pumpkins are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. Their rich potassium content also supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure, while antioxidants work to reduce cholesterol levels and combat oxidative stress. Incorporating pumpkins into your diet is not only delicious, but also a smart way to nourish your body. From soups and salads to smoothies and baked goods, there are countless ways to enjoy this versatile fruit. By adding pumpkins to your meals, you can take significant steps toward improving your health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the amazing advantages of pumpkins. Together, let's spread the word about how simple dietary changes can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.